Hello and welcome to this tutorial on ViewZen Labs User Management. Our user management or accounts provides and controls access to views and resources and applications. User management verifies the identity of a user, provides access to different applications with a single sign-on, and determines the level of access a user has to the different resources and data. Users with the owner role can manage their organization, invite administrators to manage their organization, invite other users to join their organization in various capacities, deactivate users and manage their access controls. They can grant or revoke a user's access to applications, resources, and data depending upon the specific need. Users can manage their own account, create user groups to share and collaborate, join multiple organizations, and move seamlessly between organizations. Administrators can also invite other users in all roles other than an owner or administrator role. In this and subsequent tutorials, you will get an overview of the following: how to create a user account, how to create an organization account, what is tenancy in the context of our platform, what does being an account owner mean, what applications do you have access to as an account owner, how can you take a free trial of the applications, how do you subscribe to an application, what are user roles, what is the function of each role, how to invite users to your organization, what are user groups? How to create a user group and add users to a user group? How can you create custom roles? What are permissions? How to set and control user permissions? How to set and control permissions at user group level?